again, this is Robert West with All Around Athens, and today with Meghan Barnes with MIG Mortgage Investors Group, and we're going to talk about a little bit about what you do here and what makes MIG stand out in the mortgage industry. So first of all, kind of introduce yourself a little bit.
Yeah. So I started with MIG in 2016, and then it was a couple years later we opened up this branch down here in Athens. So we've been very blessed with our location and with our office. And with, just lots of support from the community. So
That's great.
Yeah.
Now, what is MIG? Can you explain a little bit about that and who they are?
Yeah, so we are Mortgage Investors Group. We actually are one of the, number one mortgage lenders in the state of Tennessee.
Awesome.
So we do the most loans, residential loans, out of all mortgage lenders in the state of Tennessee. So unlike banks, we focus on mortgages. So we don't do car loans, we don't do personal loans. So it helps us grow our niche and really focus on mortgages and different programs, all surrounding mortgages.
And I think that's important because, I used to work at a bank, so I understand, if you've got your kind of focus in all these different directions, it doesn't make sense. Whereas if you centralize your focus on just on mortgages, then you're able to help out the consumer. And so that's very important, especially in the market that we're in.
Yeah, absolutely.
So what are some unique and or popular products here with MIG right now?
Yeah, so of course we have the basics, right? We have conventional, we have THDA, USDA, VA, FHA. But some of the unique programs that we've really dived into is, down payment assistance programs, affordable housing. That's a huge topic right now. It's hard to find affordable housing, and you couple that with the high interest rates. Yeah. So we really have, partnered with a lot of good community lenders. So we have a lot of community lending products to help with down payment assistance, to also help with interest rates and loan level price adjustments. You don't necessarily have to be a first-time home buyer to take advantage of these programs either. So it's just sometimes it's property and address specific, sometimes it's income specific. It just kind of depends, but we have about 5 or 6 of them. So we definitely can play around, and I think that that's probably our biggest advantage is the affordable housing market.
I mean, that's incredible. As you mentioned, the affordability right now is just a struggle. So it's important to have many options available for your consumers and the people who are in the market for mortgages. Let's kind of shift gears a little bit, and we'll talk about Athens and this All Around Athens series. Why is Athens such a great place to move to?
I think that's a great question. And, number one, it's beautiful. Yeah. You have the mountains, you have the water, you have any kind of activity that you would like, mountain biking, fishing, we're just a very active place. Yeah. And then on top of it, going back to affordability, Athens is affordable. The state of Tennessee is affordable. Just in our property taxes, we're significantly lower than everybody else. We have no state income tax. And then, just the prices here in Athens, I find to be significantly lower than the national average. Yeah,
and as I'm a real estate agent, I can tell you by just being in the market, between Knoxville and Chattanooga, you have Athens right in the middle. So if you need to go to a big town, you can go there. But at the same time, you have the pricing, which makes sense rather than having to deal with the higher prices of Knoxville or even Chattanooga. It's right in the middle. This is a great place to live, great place to raise family, whatever it is. It's a great place to be here. What's the best way for a person to reach you?
Yeah, so we have many different options. Obviously, you guys can call me, 865-228-3157. You can go to my website, www.tnmortgageexpert.com. We like to do things in person, but we also lend ourselves to, people that want to do everything online. That's totally fine. We can compete with Quicken on that.
Absolutely.
You can fill out an application online. You can call me. You can walk in. So our location is right across the street from the courthouse in downtown Athens. So,
and being online, because there are several people that are moving from out of state, so it's important that they have a website they can go to, and then at some point give you a call or maybe meet with you in person here. It's a great central location to be at. So again, thank you so much, Meghan, for giving us the opportunity here. This is All Around Athens, where we cover the businesses, people, and places that make Athens unique.